anybody else had that feeling before?
Every day.
No?
I saw it every day.
Every day.
Yeah, so, well, anyways, we had that feeling, so we wrote a song about it. Once I get this mic stand to, do what it's supposed to do, cooperate, and hold the mic. Alright. And dang, that's unsanitary. Oh, why's there gold in my kitchen? 'Cause that's unsanitary. So, I decided to give this second chance, and I named him Lucky. I know that it's still so unsanitary. My poor Lucky, I'm so sorry, but I got hungry and I hate your dad. I feel so bad, but I ate him and he tasted really good. See, he was refrigerated, And like, I just a little bit of mustard and mayonnaise. It was perfect. It was like, a little bit of salt. I'm getting kind of distracted. My mouth's watering, and like a little bit of pepper. It was so. I really want to.
Thank you.